Here you have an organisation that some particular left might say is just doesn't really care about its workers, and is allegedly sacking those who took part in strike action last week. So would a socialist government not intervene in that case and kind of say, we're taking you over and we're protecting these workers?
Okay, well, something you'd have to consider, but if you had a socialist government, presumably you'd have much better trade union strength.
Okay.
I think trade union rights and recognition, which the Labour Party have done nothing to bring in, by the way. Why are these contracts even legal? Why is it legal to be just on a day-by-day basis at the beck and call of an employer? They could have brought in a law against that, and Duns would have been forced to comply. And even also the voluntary nature, we raised this in the Dáil last week, where companies don't have to, if they don't want to, engage in industrial relation mechanisms. But yet it's not voluntary to comply with other laws. It's compulsory, So it's all going the way of the bosses at the moment. And we would change that balance.
Okay.